Hey guys, sorry it's been a while since I've made some videos. I wanted to show you this part my buddy sent me in Thailand. And it's a 34 millimeter throttle body. I mean, look at that. This is stock. Actually, look. I can just fit it over it. That's stock right here. This is what's really choking up the power, especially as the top end on these as well. I know a lot of guys are struggling to go faster in the Groms. It's this little guy right here that's hurting your power. You just can't get enough air, especially in the high revs. This is also a stock intake manifold. See how tiny it is? I mean, quite small. If you take a look at this, and let's open it up. Sorry, I'm trying to do it one-handed. He matched it all the way to the inside of it. See it? So the back side of this is matched to the intake manifold. It's pretty hard to see. I know it's not the best light. But this is the best mod you can do for under $200 to your bike right here. Even if you're running, you know, a factory size bore, this will make a massive difference just because it's going to allow the motor more air. He also gives you a free pack of gaskets as well. All you do is you take off your stock TPS and your idle air control valve, mount it on here. It looks like he's already went ahead and preset the throttle body for you as well, so you don't have to adjust it. If you do, it's very easy to adjust right here. This is going to make the biggest difference, I would say, that you can do. I mean, just look how tiny this is. I can barely get my thumb in there. And then you got this 34 millimeter, and you got plenty of room. So, like I said, I'll talk to him. I'll see if we can get a link up, so that way you guys can purchase it direct. It didn't take too awful long to get here. It took about a week or two. But, I mean, it's well worth the wait. And, I mean, the quality of this is fantastic. Exactly the same. I mean, it's just fantastic. I can't believe it took this long to come out with such a great product. But as always, guys, you know, this is going to be the key to your power here. The more air you can get in, the more power you can make as well. But anyway, thanks for watching. I'll try to make more videos soon. I just finished nursing school and in the process of building a house. But I'm going to see if I can get back on the videos and make you guys some fantastic videos. Thanks for watching. See you guys soon. Bye.